everyone, and welcome to the Unmedia. My name is LaPlante, and I'll be your host today. Yesterday, Ted Cruz and Bernie Sanders won the primary races in Wisconsin. We'll talk more about that in a bit, but I wanted to start by talking about North Carolina's new Public Privacy and Security Act. The new law prohibits transgender people from using a bathroom that corresponds with their current gender, instead making them use the one with the gender they were born with. And in response to this new law, PayPal has actually pulled its plans to open a new global operations center in Charlotte, North Carolina, which is going to employ 400 people. PayPal CEO Dan Schulman says, "Becoming an employer in North Carolina where members of our teams will not have equal rights under the law is simply unattainable. The new law perpetuates discrimination and it violates the values and principles that are at the core of PayPal's mission and culture." Now, first of all, I think of this law as a hate law. It's an LGBT law that discriminates against LGBT community. So, my only problem is that why don't laws like this exist against like race issues? Why don't laws like this exist? Why are laws still being passed like this in 2016? I mean, I understand that the year is the year, but we are moving forward as a country just yesterday, there were the bathrooms in the White House. There was, Obama put a gender-neutral bathroom in the White House, and that was one of the biggest moments of yesterday's show. And it was one of my favorite stories from yesterday because Obama took such a big step forward in presenting these jobs like that. But again, my biggest issue with everything and this is just why aren't race bills like this created? I mean, if they wanted to, or if society deemed it attainable, then of course they would do it. You'd see that all the time. But racism still exists, discrimination still exists, but yet they're letting it. I mean, I don't understand how a bill like that gets passed. I really don't. I can't find words. It's so bad. It's intolerable. And they are showing no tolerance towards anything. And if you can't, it's the weirdest thing, because I understand that, you don't want, there are privacy issues and with bathrooms and such, but why not just have gender neutral bathrooms just for the heck of it, How about that idea? Everyone wins. Everyone wins. Literally, everyone wins. You can't lose. If men want to go to the men's bathroom, if women want to go to the women's bathroom, and then just have gender-neutral bathrooms. Everyone wins. It's so easy, but yet we have to have laws like this that need to get passed rather than just easy fix.